Does this look familiar to you?
That's what she said. No.
So almost a year exactly to the day that we did the driver's side, we now have a mega leak from the passenger side. And I probably wouldn't even film this, but I got a sweet new camera.
That's what she said.
And this is the test video to see how the whole camera rig and everything works out. So come along on this journey to test out my camera and fix another freaking brake line. Let's go. Check this rig out though, it's pretty cool. I got a new Sony camera, little microphone. It's pretty full manual, so it'll allow me to do all kinds of cool stuff.
That's what she said.
And yeah, we won't be bringing this to race weekends, but for stuff like this, it'll be perfect. Similar to last time, we got some rusty disaster going on here, so we're gonna replace this line. It goes right over here on top of the diff. Can't really see it. Right there. Gonna need some with a little bit more bite.
That's what she said.
This should do. Maybe not. Yeah. It's gonna break off just like the other one did.
That's what she said.
Yep, there it goes. There we go. It's probably gonna break. It didn't break. That actually didn't break either. I'm impressed. And it's out. So here's our new line, our bendy tool. Let's make this thing fit.
That's what she said.
So here we are with the bent up piece. I added a little extra length to it because this is a 40-inch piece. That's 32 inches. They had a 30 and a 40, and I figured I can reduce length, but I can't add length.
That's what she said.
So we went with the 40 and added a couple of little racetrack looking things. Check out this chicane though. Yeah, so let's put this thing in the truck. So this will go up in there like that. This will go up in here like this.
That's what she said.
Hopefully I don't have to take this back off again, but if I do, we got anti-seize. So the bleed procedure on this 4Runner is actually rather easy. We go ahead and put a brick on the brake pedal. We turn on the key. The ABS pump is going to begin pumping fluid. Then I'm going to go in the back and I'm going to crack the bleeder until we get fresh fluid, and then close the bleeder, and then we're done. The rears are easy. The fronts, they don't auto bleed, but the rears, super easy with one person. I wish all cars were like this. Oh yeah, we're getting bubbles. It looks like that's all the air. So we're gonna close this now. check the fluid. Alright, I guess let's drive it and see if we die. So the brakes work. Feels a little spongy, but
That's what she said.
could just be placebo. This thing needs gas, so let's go to the gas station and use that as our road test. And yeah, let's try not to die. So far we haven't died. She definitely needs a secondary bleed. There's a lot of air in the system. I can feel it, but it stops, and that's always a good thing. Still not at the gas station, so there's still a chance for us to die. And that's it. She's good to go. We gotta bleed it one more time, I think, but it feels good enough
That's what she said.
to take it on the beach, and that is just what we're going to do. So like I always say, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button if you like this video, and I'll see you guys next Taco Tuesday.
That's what she said.